I've shared these pumpkin glove scrapers for the last couple of years now, and I've had so much feedback, I have to share it again. So I've had so many comments in the past where this has helped so many different people. And the first time I shared it, I just thought it was a cool product to use. And I had so many different people that were leaving comments saying that they had allergy issues, they had sensory issues, and stuff like this helps them tremendously. So since then, I've made it a point where I always want to share this because it helps a lot of people. Now this one does come with a couple smaller carvers, and then you do have your larger glove, and you do have a regular glove for your other hand. So both hands are taken care of, but one of them is going to have a scraper blade, and I'll share that with you here in just a second how well it works and everything. They also do have a couple different kits. So they have, this one's the adult size. They also have a family kit, and they do have like a children's size. I do have those. They're just in storage right now. Now these are some pretty heavy duty latex gloves. Or is it non-latex? Latex? I'm not sure. Let me double check. So yes, this one is latex. So if you do have a latex allergy, be warned on that one. Alright, trying to think how I want to do this. I don't have a whole lot of space, as you can see, compared to prior years. Start off with one of the cutters here. Carvers, whatever you want to call it. Hey, I think that light out there probably doesn't help the video any. Alright, we got it opened up. Now I've had people also comment in the past, why would you wear gloves? That's the fun of this, and get messy and everything. It's not about the getting messy. There are people who downright have allergy issues to pumpkin and squash in general. And then there's people that have like autism and other sensory issues. So as you can see, this one is made to go all the way up your arm. This one's pretty long. And for someone who has shorter arms, it's probably going to go all the way up to your shoulder. Now your thumb is meant to go right here. And I'll demonstrate on the lid here really quick. But you can use this to pretty much cut. You can cut into it, and you can use it to scrape. I need somewhere to put the stuff. I'll have to wash this. Alright, so if we use this though, you can easily, I want to try and get this in the video here, but you can easily use this to get in here, and you can scrape this. I'm going to end up making a mess trying to show this way, but it's okay. I can clean it. But you can easily use this and just scrape and scoop everything out. It's easier if you just do all the scraping first and then scoop it out. Then we'd easily just pull everything right out of it. But look how clean that gets it. That works really, really well. Now, I don't know what you guys think. I hope this does help a lot of people. But if you know people with sensory or allergy issues, share these with them. Let them know about these gloves because they're awesome. Anyway, this is going to be my quick demo for these pumpkin gloves. I'll probably share them again a couple more times here between now and Halloween. I think everybody should get a pair that has any kind of issues with touching this pumpkin, whether it's allergies, whether it's sensory, or you just don't like touching it. That's okay. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.